Welcome to the intriguing world of Snakelocks anemones, where vibrant colors meet extraordinary biology. Today we dive deep into the fascinating life of these unique creatures and uncover their unusual traits, including their mysterious attraction to light. This is the biology of Snakelocks anemone. Found in the shallow waters of the Atlantic Ocean, from the British Isles to the Mediterranean. Snakelocks anemones are striking creatures known for their long, flowing tentacles. These tentacles, adorned with vivid green or blue tips, give them a hypnotic appearance that's both beautiful and slightly menacing. These sea-dwelling organisms do something that was thought to be limited to plants. They orient themselves towards the sun, following its daily movement across the sky. But they're actually animals belonging to the Cnidaria phylum, the same family as jellyfish and corals. Snakelock anemone belongs to the group of marine invertebrates, the sea anemones in the order Actiniaria, phylum Cnidaria of the animal kingdom. They are named anemone after the flowering plant anemone due to their colorful appearance. Snakelocks live attached to rocks in the shallow areas of the sea and have a brownish body with long, wavy, snake-like tentacles that give them their name snakelocks. These tentacles have specialized cells called nematocysts that secrete toxic substances against predators and prey. When triggered by touch, nematocysts releases hairpin-like structure, injecting venom into their predators or prey such as small fish, crustaceans or other tiny creatures they catch for food. However, clownfish brushed themselves carefully against the tentacles until a layer of anemone mucus covered the tentacles, pushing them to accept it. Interestingly, these creatures also have a unique partnership with algae called zooxanthellae living within their tissues. Through photosynthesis, these algae produce nutrients that benefit the anemones, while in return they receive a safe home and protection. This relationship allows Snakelocks anemones to thrive in areas with ample sunlight. Reproduction in Snakelocks anemones is equally fascinating. They can reproduce asexually by splitting themselves into clones or sexually by releasing eggs and sperm into the water. After fertilization, larvae develop and eventually settle on a suitable surface, beginning the cycle anew. Their movement, albeit slow, is driven by the need to seek optimal conditions for survival. But what's particularly fascinating is their tendency to exhibit heliotropism, a behavior where they move towards sunlight. When exposed to light, snakelock anemones exhibit a remarkable response. Their tentacles stretch and reach toward the light source, almost as if they're chasing it. When exposed to different colors of light, their movement is influenced by blue light wavelength, just like plants whose photosynthesis is primarily by the blue light spectrum. Scientists believe that this behavior might be linked to their symbiotic relationship with photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae, which reside within their tissues. These algae rely on light to produce food for both the anemone and the algae, while the anemone provides nitrogen to the algae. Without this beneficial interaction, neither of the species would flourish. But why the fascination with light? One theory suggests that it helps the anemones maximize their exposure to sunlight for the algae's photosynthesis, aiding in energy production and overall health. Another hypothesis suggests that the algae produce chemicals of reactive oxygen origin during photosynthesis. The accumulation of these compounds in the anemone's tissues could trigger the tentacles to move. Moreover, this movement toward light might also serve as a way for snakelock anemones to avoid predators or unfavorable environmental conditions. Although some other animals, such as jellies, move their body towards the source of light, Snakelocks anemones are the first to exhibit stationary sun-tracking behavior. These unique behaviors make snakelock anemones not just beautiful to look at, but incredible to study, shedding light on the complexities of marine life. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of these underwater marvels, one thing remains certain. Snakelock anemones showcase a spectacular display of nature's ingenuity, from their vibrant appearance to their intriguing biology. So next time you're exploring tide pools or diving in shallow waters, keep an eye out for these mesmerizing creatures. The snakelocks anemones may seem like otherworldly beings, but they're an essential part of our ocean's intricate web of life.